Hello friends, today we will install full version of Filmora easily. So let's get started.
Usually, Wondershare Filmora costs $79.99 per year, or $155 for lifetime. But you can get full version by clicking the link in the description. Don't worry about safety. All software is pre-tested, scanned with multiple antiviruses, and confirmed working by our community. Just go to the site, follow the instructions, and download the file. By the way, you'll find tons of other premium software available for free on the same site. Everything is working and tested for functionality before being posted. Just click on the site thumbnail to explore. Unzip the archive using the password from the site, and your Filmora Pro is ready to go. Now let me show you how amazing everything works. With Filmora Pro, you get the ultimate video editing experience without any limitations. Everything works flawlessly, from quick social media edits to professional YouTube videos and cinematic projects. Here are the main advantages of Filmora Pro. No watermark, export unlimited videos without any Filmora branding or limitations. 4K and HD export. Render videos in stunning quality up to 4K 60 FPS resolution. AI Tool Suite. Smart Cutout. Audio denoise. Auto beat sync. And motion tracking. 1000 plus effects library. Transitions, filters, titles, elements, and overlays included. AI Portrait. Automatically remove backgrounds without green screen. Audio ducking. Automatically lower music when someone speaks. Speed ramping. Create smooth speed changes for cinematic effects. Keyframing. Animate any property with custom curves and easing. Color matching. Instantly match colors between different clips. Screen recorder. Capture screen, webcam, and audio simultaneously. Split screen. Create multi-screen videos with 30+ preset templates. Stock media library. Millions of royalty-free videos, images, and music tracks. Auto synchronization. Sync audio and video from different sources perfectly. Best of all, this version is completely clean. No malware, no minors, just the full Pro version working exactly like the official one.
Filmora Pro also includes export to any format, MP4, MOV, MKV, GIF, MP3, and 50+ more formats. Direct upload to YouTube, Vimeo, and TikTok with optimized settings. Green screen with advanced edge feathering and color correction. 100+ tracks for complex multi-layer projects. Audio visualizer for music videos and podcasts. Speech-to-text for automatic subtitles. Text-to-speech with natural AI voices. DVD burning with custom menus. Hardware acceleration using GPU for 10x faster rendering. You could use the trial version, but you'll hate the limitations. Huge watermark ruins every video. Can't export without purchasing. Limited effects and transitions. No AI features or advanced tools. Constant pop-ups to upgrade. Or pay $80 every year. That's $400 over 5 years just to edit videos. Here's the truth. Filmora is perfect for content creators who want professional results without the learning curve. Adobe Premiere is too complex and costs $240 yearly. DaVinci Resolve free version lacks important codecs. Final Cut is Mac only at $300. Filmora gives you everything needed for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more. You can find Filmora Pro and other premium software on the site. Link in the pinned comment below. We update our collection weekly with Vegas Pro, Camtasia, Power Director, Movavi, and more video editing tools. If this video is helpful, hit the like button and ring the notification bell for new releases. Check out our other videos for more amazing software. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating amazing videos with Filmora.